Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert HEIF image to JPEG image on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my camera application and I'm going to set my camera to create HEIF image. I'm going to go to the setting and then I'm going to scroll down. And here guys, we'll be able to activate the high efficiency image or high efficiency pictures. I'm going to activate it. Okay, and you can read the information right here. Save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format or HEIF. Okay, and I'm going to take a picture like this and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Okay, as you can see guys that the format has been set to HEIF format shown by this format HEIC. It means that this picture is in HEIF format or high efficiency picture format. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can share this picture with a JPEG format. If we want to convert the format, we need to go to our file application. Okay, and then we need to rename the file to change the format. I'm just going to open up my internal storage and go to DCIM and select camera and wait. Okay, I'm going to scroll down like this. Alright, and if we want to convert the format, we need to change the name, or we need to rename it. We can tap and hold on the image we want to convert to JPEG format and select this more option, select rename, and here you'll be able to convert it. Just type in JPEG, okay, like this, and click on change. Oops, sorry. Okay. And after that, the format will be changed to JPG. Okay, this one. That's so easy, right? You just need to convert, you just need to rename it and the format will be changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to convert HEIF image to JPEG image on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!